What's going on guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get the light theme in Windows 10. So the first thing we want to do is go to our settings, and we'll do this by clicking on our notification icon and click on all settings. Once here you want to go ahead and click on personalization, then you want to go ahead and click on colours at the left hand side. Once here it will look something like this, and what we want to do is select light theme here, and it's going to turn our taskbar and other Windows features into the light theme. Now you can also do the opposite and go fully dark by clicking on dark on both of these icons here, and it's going to basically set everything dark, even the Windows icons here. But if you want to set it back to default, obviously you just choose light on the Windows tabs and then select the dark on the Windows mode. You can also click on this drop down menu and select the light and dark theme by default here. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.